Hey there. Today we're talking about archiving conversations as well as blocking contacts within Beetexting. So why would you want to archive a conversation or block a contact? Well, Beetexting, we don't actually have the ability or give you the ability to delete a contact for a few different reasons, but we give you the ability to remove it from your view and block all contacts moving forward, so it can kind of function the same way as deleting a contact. While still maintaining all of that data. So if you are looking to archive a conversation, and in this scenario, you can see over here on the left-hand side, I have Doug selected, and say I don't want to see the conversation with Doug anymore. He just went through our automation, so there's no conversation to be had. I can go to the top actions and select archive right here. And then you'll see that Doug goes away. So archiving a conversation is just going to remove him from your conversation list. But if Doug were to send a message to us, or if we were to send a message to Doug, he would pop back up here, no problem. It's just archived away. And that stuff can be accessed through a filter over here, and you can see Doug. So if there was a message sent back and forth, this would be unarchived, and he would pop back up into the normal conversation list right here. So second option here is to block a contact. So what this is going to do is block all communication with that contact. Say they spam your account and you don't want to receive messages from them anymore. This is going to block the conversation both ways. So you can't send anything out, nothing can be sent back in. Say you accidentally uploaded a contact with the incorrect phone number and you never want to accidentally send them a message again, you can just block them and not have to worry about it. So to block a contact, all you have to do is have the contact selected either within conversations or contacts, and then go to the contact card and select this block button, circle with a line through it up there, and then that's going to be blocked. So they're still going to be accessible. You can see here that even though Jesse is blocked, he still appears within that conversation. So if I wanted that to disappear and not have to worry about it, all I would have to do is archive it and then go to my archived, or select my archive filters, apply that, and then block Jesse right there. And then I'm not going to see the conversation with Jesse anymore, and it's not going to appear within my conversation list. So if I want to see who's blocked and make sure that I don't want to unblock anybody or anything like that, I can select my contacts field up here, go to my filters, select blocked, and anybody who is blocked is going to appear right here, and we can unblock them if we'd like. So pretty simple. If you have any questions, hit us up on the support line. We offer a 30-day free trial. Thanks for watching.